The presidential candidate of the Social Democratic Party, SDP, in the 2023 election, Prince Adewole Adebayo, has called on the Arewa Consultative Forum, ACF, and other regional bodies to use their influence to promote national unity, accountability, and good governance across Nigeria. Prince Adebayo made the call when he led a delegation on a courtesy visit to the ACF Secretariat in Abuja. Here is more on this report.
As Nigeria strives for lasting peace and stability, Prince Adewole Adebayo commended the Arewa Consultative Forum for its long-standing role in fostering national dialogue and stability. He described the ACF as a fallback institution that has provided leadership during critical moments in Nigeria's history.
Look like every man for himself. And that is the point at which we want the Northern Elders, the ACF, to take a critical look at using the soft power of your institution to ensure that the conversation we have in this country is a conversation that can build the country properly. There are real problems, and they are all well documented. And I'm happy that on both sides of the divide have many years, decades of government experience. There's something that goes wrong after we take that oath of office. A seemingly wise person just becomes immediately confused. And if you look at those who are there now, even though I ran against them, and I thought we would do better, but I never imagined that they would be this abysmal. And what is happening is that they are certainly not wise, but it looks to me like the energy is being used for different things that are the problem than the real problems of the country.
Responding, the chairman of the ACF Board of Trustees, Alhaji Bashir Mohammed Dalhatu, noted that the forum values engagement with political leaders and reform-minded Nigerians on issues such as insecurity, unemployment, and education, stressing that such discussions are vital to national progress.
And the hindering part of our development in the north. Of course, those things are very clear. They have been spoken over and over and over again. We have problem of security, as we all know, in this country. We have been trying to fight that problem. We have been encouraging government and security agencies to fight and secure lives and property. We have registered some progress. We are also aware that there is a lot of more efforts that can be put in order to minimize the problem to the barest minimum. We have problems of unemployment. We have problems of multitudes of our children on the streets.
Prince Adewole Adebayo urged regional groups such as Afenifere, Ohani Zindibo, and the Middle Belt Forum to work together in promoting unity and national